Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best electric dust blower is probably one of the most underrated tools in any workshop or household. It's a simple yet incredibly effective device that can save you tons of time and effort when cleaning up dust and debris. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech geek, or just someone who likes a clean space, this tool is a game changer. Number 5. Electric Air Duster, Rechargeable Mini Turbo Jet Fan. Experience the power of 33,000 RPM with this air duster. It blasts away dust and debris with incredible force, ensuring a spotless clean every time. This jet blower is perfect for various cleaning tasks. It's great for keyboards, PCs, cars, and outdoor maintenance, making it a versatile tool for any job. The compact design makes it easy to handle and transport. You can take this mini air blower anywhere for on-the-go cleaning, whether indoors or outdoors. Easily switch between 3 adjustable gear settings for complete control. This air blower features both button and sliding modes for convenient and sensitive use. This rechargeable jet blower replaces single-use compressed air cans. It saves you money and reduces waste, making it an efficient and eco-friendly cleaning solution. What we like. This air duster boasts an incredible 33,000 RPM, making it a powerhouse for cleaning. It's designed to tackle various cleaning tasks, from keyboards to cars. If you are looking for a versatile and powerful cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The power it delivers is way beyond what I expected. It easily blows away dust from keyboards, computer fans, and even the tiniest spaces. It's rechargeable and eco-friendly, replacing the need for canned air completely. Rechargeable and lasts long. Gets all the dust out of the computer or small spaces and doesn't overheat. Has 3 different settings of air pressure and is easy to use. Number 4. Cordless Air Duster, 33,000 RPM Air Blower. This cordless air duster delivers powerful cleaning with its 33,000 RPM motor, generating a strong airflow. It's a reusable alternative to compressed air cans, making it more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Use it to clean computers, camera lenses, and other electronics. The air duster features 2 smart start modes for your convenience. You can choose to hold the power button for operation or double press for continuous use. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. It comes with 2 nozzles, a slender one for tight spaces and a brush nozzle for larger surfaces like keyboards. This makes it versatile for various cleaning tasks. This electric air duster has a fast charging port, fully charging in just 3 hours, providing 15 to 30 minutes of continuous use. You can charge it using various devices like car chargers and laptops. This air duster is designed for over 5,000 uses, saving you money compared to disposable compressed air cans. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can buy it with confidence. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. With its 33,000 RPM wind power, this duster offers deep cleaning capabilities. It features dual smart start modes for convenience. If you like the flexibility of cordless operation and want a duster that's easy to carry around, you should consider this one. What people say. What really stands out is the battery life. I can clean my whole desk setup, some electronics around the house, and even hit the car interior in one session without a recharge. The portability is also a game changer. No cords, no cans, just pick it up and go. This feature eliminates the need for buying and disposing of canned air, making it a more eco-friendly choice. Plus, no more worrying about running out of compressed air mid-cleaning. I found the stepless speed control to be very useful. It allows me to adjust the air pressure for different tasks. For example, a lower setting works perfectly for cleaning dust from my keyboard, while a higher setting blasts away stubborn debris from my computer vents. Number 3. IT Duster's AirTec Ultra Electric Air Duster. Tired of stubborn dust? This device unleashes a continuous jet of fresh air. It's perfect for cleaning delicate tech and appliances. This comes with 6 interchangeable nozzle attachments. The finer ones provide accuracy, while the larger ones offer broader cleaning power. Using a super energy-efficient 350W motor, it offers high performance while using little power. This electric duster reduces the need for wasteful canned air. Weighing only 1.5 pounds, it packs a lot of power. The ergonomic design is easy to handle, and operation is simple with one-button control. No recharging or refills are needed. It runs directly from the mains power. Just plug in the 6.5-foot power cord and start with a flick of a switch. What we like. This duster provides a continuous jet of air for effective cleaning. It comes with multiple nozzle attachments for enhanced control. If you are looking for a duster that is easy to use and environmentally friendly, this is the one for you. What people say. It produces a very strong jet of air. It's easy to use and seems well built. The multiple attachments are also very nice and secure very well to the unit, allowing you to control the strength of the air. Number 2. Handheld cordless air duster for cleaning. Tired of constantly buying canned air? This rechargeable and reusable air duster is a more energy efficient and cost-effective solution. It's a one-time investment for a permanent air cleaning solution. This electric air duster boasts a super brushless motor with a maximum blowing power of up to 2.74 ounces. It comes with various nozzles and cleaning brushes to deeply clean tiny dust particles, leaving no place for dust to hide. Equipped with a Type-C fast charging port, it can work for 15 to 30 minutes after a full 3-hour charge. You can easily charge it from a laptop or mobile power source. This cordless air duster includes a spare nozzle storage compartment, so you won't lose any accessories. With different cleaning parts, it makes cleaning easier and can be used repeatedly. The battery is newly upgraded for longer use and features temperature, current, and short-circuit protection, ensuring the device's safety during charging. It's perfect for cleaning at home, in the office, or in your car. Unlike canned air, this electric compressed air doesn't form liquids or freeze during cleaning. This protects your electronics, making it safer, greener, and more energy efficient. If you have any questions, please leave us a message, and we will reply within 24 hours to provide satisfactory service and the best solution. What we like. This air duster is a rechargeable and reusable alternative to canned air. It has a powerful 33,000 RPM motor for effective cleaning. If you are looking for a cost-effective and powerful cleaning solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The USB-C charging is convenient and fast. The attachments are nice, though I tend to use the one that forces the strongest airflow, and it's easy to use with simple airflow adjustment. It cleans computer interiors very well, leaving so little dust as to be negligible. I was used to the absolutely sanitary results obtained with cans, but I found that if, after completely cleaning it, you run a computer for 10 minutes, you'll have more dust than this product leaves. It even does a creditable job on the tarry gunk, removing most of it and making subsequent cleanup much easier. Number 1. KOTTO Electric Air Duster. Introducing the KOTTO Electric Air Duster. This handy device is perfect for cleaning your computer and laptop. It's a dust blower and dryer all in one. This versatile tool can be used on a variety of surfaces. It effectively removes dust and debris. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their electronics clean. The KOTTO Air Duster provides a powerful blast of air. It can easily remove dust from hard-to-reach places. It's a great alternative to canned air. This electric duster is safe for use on all your electronics. It's an effective way to clean without damaging your devices. It's a smart choice for cleaning. This product not only blows away dust, but it also dries surfaces. It's a convenient and efficient way to clean. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This duster is designed for multiple uses, including cleaning computers and laptops. It functions as both a dust blower and a dryer. If you like a versatile tool for your cleaning needs, you should consider this one. What people say. The blower is lightweight and easy to handle. It has a powerful motor that can easily remove dust and debris. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.